Hello, friends. Today we are going to do something brand new. So I need you to go and find the sheet, not a sheet, it's a packet. There's more than one in here that looks like this. When we came back from Christmas break, I gave you a lot of things, and some of them I said, wait, don't touch these yet. This is one of those things, but guess what? Today's the day we get to do it. So, you guys are ready. It says super sight word because you guys are super writers. So, this is just for you. Looking up here, this little guy is holding a star. In the star, it has a word. Do you know that word? Not yet. That's okay. If you do, thumbs up to you. Great job. It is one of the words that should be on your word wall. It is right there. L-I-K-E. This is a word that if you haven't written it yet, it's one that you'll probably write a lot. This is the word like. And it's just one of those words that we call them snap words because we just need to know them in a snap. So this is one of those words. There are different things we're going to do with this word. This is the word that we're going to do for the whole page and just for fun. Like. Ooh, it makes me think of all the things I like. It makes me think of when I go home and I like getting all the hugs and snuggles from my family and my pets. And I like going home and making delicious dinner for us to all enjoy. And I like taking my dog on a nice evening walk. Like. In this first box right here, it says find and circle it. Your job is to find the word like. See it here. Is that like? L-I-K-E? Nope. Is that like? L-I-K-E? Yes, it is. That? I found another one. I found 5. Can you find 5? And then in this box, you're going to trace it. And if I go too fast, just pause me or listen to all the directions and then come back and do yours. That's okay too. Trace it. L-I-K-E. Don't forget all that amazing handwriting practice that you did. You're going to trace it 2 times. I only did it 1 time just because you don't need to watch me trace. And then it says color it. Number 1 is written in the letter L. And number 1, it says purple. So I'm going to get out my purple marker and I'm going to color the L purple because that's what number 1 is. All right. Number 2, do you know that color word? Red. And I know on your screen it might look blue, but that really is my purple marker. Weird, I don't know why. It says violet on it. Okay, let's see if my red looks red. Oh, I think so. It does on my paper anyway. Does it look red on the screen? Not too bad. Number 3, the letter K. It says blue. Let's see what my blue looks like. I'm not doing my best coloring because I don't want you to have to watch me for a long time. So 3 is blue and number 4 is yellow. And number 4 is the letter E. Line around and then a magic C. What word is this? Like. Yeah. And then I'm going to take a highlighter. Do you have a highlighter? Yours might not be yellow. Mine is yellow. I'm going to find all the places that I can find like, and I'm going to highlight it. Now, highlighting is not the same as coloring. When we highlight, we just we go over the letters one time. So watch me highlight like. Did I color everything? No, I didn't. Is this like? Yep. Is this like? No. Is this like? Yes. Is this like? No. Is this like? Yes. Keep going and look at each word and say, is it like? Yes or no. All right. And then it says, put it in a sentence. You're going to get to read a sentence. I blank that ride. We're going to put the word like in there. L I K E. I like that ride. The next sentence says, do you blank brown? And there's a question mark. We're going to put the word like in there too and see what that sentence makes. Let's read it. Do you like brown? I do like brown. My hair is brown. My dog is also brown. I love brown. All right. Then it says box it up. Down here, let me move this up a little bit. Down here it says, I had a little note that said wait, because that was one of the papers I wanted you guys to wait on. So box it up is where the size of the letter matches the size of the box. And you notice there's this dotted line in here. So the L is a really skinny letter, so the box is really skinny. But it's also a tall letter, so the box is tall. Starting at the top, big line down, L. The next box is skinny too, but it's also short because the letter I is a short letter. The next letter, do you think that's going to be short or tall? I agree, it's going to be tall. The K, big line down, slant in, slant out. And the next letter, does that look like a short or a tall letter? You're correct. It is a short letter. It's an E. Little line over and a magic C. Like. Now you're going to trace this one. And then it says build it. Notice there's 4 boxes here. And if you look down here, there's 4 letters. Does that say like? No, it does not. It is our job, sorry, I forgot scissors, to fix it. So we're going to cut out the letters. Make sure you only cut 1 page. And make the word like. So if I was making the word like, what letter would I need first? Here's my choices. If I'm not sure, where can I look to help me? You guys can't quite see that, can you? Let me see what I can do. Sorry, this is kind of a new one for us.